If you love the water as much as I do, then you've come to the right place where an architectural masterpiece is waiting for you. Welcome to Wander Oconee Shores. I'm Danya, and I'm showing you this absolutely breathtaking home that has 6 bedrooms, sleeps up to 14, 7.5 bathrooms, a luxurious pool, a hot tub, a fire pit, spectacular lake views to catch the most perfect sunrises, sunsets, and will absolutely take your breath away. There's so much more to see, so let's go inside. There's so much to see in this gorgeous house, but first we're gonna start with the living room. This home has the most beautiful views of the water, and I told you if you love the water as much as I do, then you are going to fully immerse yourself in this space right here, the living room. Now the lakeside living room is a perfect blend of modern elegance and tranquil living. The room is super spacious and has a chic color palette of deep blues and neutral tones that take you straight to relaxation mode. While everything in here is truly art, I have to tell you that one of the favorite parts for me is seeing the calm waters outside and also the centerpiece of the space. This artistic home has a cozy gas fireplace, which you can warm right up next to, and it's surrounded by sleek charcoal gray walls, perfectly complementing the natural wood beams up top. Now you can relax in style on the classic tufted leather sofa, the plush armchairs, or one of my faves, the mid-century modern wingback chair. It's designed for both comfort and socializing, this entire space is. The large flat screen smart TV has a sound bar that's mounted on the wall for full immersive experience and entertainment. But the best part of the living room, come with me, is that it's surrounded by glass, flooding the space with natural light, and it just wakes you up every single morning. It's absolutely beautiful. This kitchen is a culinary dream come true. I'm not kidding you. Now this custom built Italian masterpiece by Val Cuisine features sleek modern cabinetry with these lift up doors right over here. Gorgeous gray, white, and gold tones throughout the entire space and stunning stainless steel countertops. Enjoy top of the line from Sub-Zero and Gorgonau, known for their restaurant grade cooking technology designed for the home. There's also plenty of space in the butler's pantry that provides generous grocery storage, a coffee station, microwave, and an additional side-by-side refrigerator for your convenience. Now fully stocked with all the essentials, this kitchen is absolutely perfect for preparing your own gourmet meals. You can just chef it up right over here. Alternatively, our concierge can also recommend the best private chefs in the area when you don't feel like cooking to create a delicious feast just for you. Welcome to the primary bedroom, where it is a spacious sanctuary just waiting for you. Now the color palette is absolutely beautiful. It's perfectly coordinated to exude an elegant vibe and high-end furnishings, designer finishes, and plush fabrics, curated art as well, elevate the ambiance to a new level. Right over here, you've got this glass wall facing the lake that floods this room with lots of natural light. And you also have private porch access while allowing you to wake up in the morning right over here with those breathtaking views from your king-size bed. You can also enjoy a cozy seating area. We've got a luxurious ensuite bathroom, making the room amazing and comfortable all in one. At Wander, we aim to elevate your sleep experience, ensuring you enjoy more restful nights than ever before. There are 5 additional bedrooms, including 3 with king-size beds, 1 with 2 queen-size beds, and another with bunk beds. So plenty of ample space for all of your friends and family to come enjoy. Now each bedroom is perfectly themed and color coordinated with all glass walls facing the lake with gorgeous views and a private porch access, as well as flat screen TVs. The 5th master suite, though, on the upper floor offers an exclusive retreat that you're not gonna wanna miss. It is absolutely stunning. So let's go check it out. Now this is the master suite, and this is by far my favorite space in this entire home. This master suite features a private living room, a kitchen, and dining area for an extra measure of seclusion and comfort. Now each bedroom in the Wander home has its own ensuite bathroom, offering unparalleled space and privacy, making this the perfect vacation home for larger groups. But what I have to say I love most about this space specifically, it's your own little private getaway from your getaway. One of the bonus features of this Wander home is this game and bar room. Now the black cabinets are beautiful contrast with the white countertops and the gold ceiling fixtures, but my favorite part is right over here, where you still have the glass wall where you can get a beautiful view of the lake, and this 4-top table where all the games go down. So if you're competitive like me, this is gonna be your favorite space to hang out. Now there's a bonus room that serves as the ultimate kids retreat with 4 XL twin beds cleverly tucked into Murphy frames for easy storage, giving you that extra space for the kids to run around. There's also endless entertainment options right at your fingertips, so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies on the smart TV while the Sonos speakers fill the room with that crystal clear sound. You can also lounge in luxury on the expansive sectional right over here and challenge your friends to a friendly game of pool. Or you can simply sink into these plush armchairs right over here, get nice and cozy for some laid back relaxation. Now, whether it's streaming, gaming, or just hanging out, this space is absolutely perfect for that endless fun, unforgettable memories, and this gorgeous view. Now that's the interior of this gorgeous, gorgeous home, but there's a few other things that will enhance your trip that you should know about. Now the outside space has an incredibly inviting two-sided, yes you heard that right, two-sided saltwater infinity pool with an attached hot tub. This is by far my favorite spot here at this Wander. It offers 180-degree views with stunning views of the lake, lounge chairs for soaking up the sun, and the upper deck has plenty of additional outdoor seating, outdoor dining table, a gas fireplace, and a flat screen TV for when you want to relax and watch a movie at night. Ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your trip? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch right after this with a ton of recommendations on things to do, eat, and see right here in the area. Now, if you want more specific help, our Wander concierge team can help you with that too. Simply text them at the number right here on the screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Now, our properties offer the perfect backdrop for any of these occasions, so whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelorette party, a milestone family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create those unforgettable experiences. You can visit us at wander.com/events to discover more about making your celebrations extraordinary. Thanks for joining me at Wander Oconee Shores, where lakeside life promises you an exceptional retreat for those seeking a peaceful escape with all of the comforts of high-end living. I can promise you that. We can't wait to welcome you. Now let's explore the surrounding areas because there's so much to do and see around here. Head on over to our travel guide next to learn more about it.